Imagine Spider-Man mid-swing and suddenly he runs out of web fluid. He drops. That's your sales rep when a buyer asks a tough question and they freeze. No talk track, no objection handler, no deal. Now flip it. AI listens to calls in real time. The buyer says, "You're too expensive." Boom. The AI serves a proven response on screen. Reps practice with AI role plays, battling objections until they're fluent. And Mario? He doesn't just talk. With moksy.ai, he shares a personalized microsite where every objection is answered with case studies, diagrams, and proof instantly for zero extra cost and no coding skills needed. Objections used to be panic moments. Now they're power plays. That's Sales Enablement 2.0. Subscribe now, because the next episode hits even closer to home.